Students, a very hearty welcome to Time YouTube channel for ICET. Today's topic, ఇవాళ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసే టాపిక్ inequalities and modulus. We are going to do inequalities and modulus. This is a topic for AP ICET as well as TS ICET. One question is sure to come from this topic. So, when I say one question, don't forget that some fundamentals what you learn from this topic will also be helpful for you in data sufficiency. Data sufficiency లో 1 or 2 questions రావచ్చు, దానికి ఈ fundamentals help అవుతుంది. So, inequalities and modulus, get ready students. As usual, నేను ప్రతి లెక్చర్లో చెప్పేది, ప్లీజ్ మేక్ అ నోట్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. నోట్బుక్ అండ్ పెన్ పెట్టుకోవాలి, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, అది మధ్యమము. ఉత్తమం ఏంటంటే మీరు రాయాలి. The more you write, the better for us. Okay, shall we start students? Chalo, first question చూద్దాం. If 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 7 and 5x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 16, then which of the following is true? We'll hold. Okay, దీన్ని మనము simultaneous inequalities అంటాం. Simultaneous means two set of linear inequalities happening at a time. So if you want to solve the first one, so what you do is 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 7. Okay, if you take that 3 to that side, what will happen? You get 2x greater than or equal to 7 plus 3. Students, when minus goes from left to right, it becomes plus. Next, 2x greater than or equal to 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. That means what? X greater than or equal to 5. Okay, that is the first inequality. The first inequality becomes x greater than or equal to 5. Let us come to the second one. Second one name on the 5x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 16. So take that 4 to that side. 5x greater than or equal to 16 plus 4. Ante 5x greater than or equal to 20. Ante x greater than or equal to 4. Okay. See, what is given here is and. అంటే మనకు ఇది కావాలి, అది కావాలి. అంటే మనకి ఏం కావాలి చూద్దాం. లెట్ మీ యూజ్ అ హైలైటర్ ఫర్ అ చేంజ్. ఈసారి ఈ యొక్క హైలైటర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఒకవైపు ఎక్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 అంటున్నాము, అది కనిపించదు అనుకుంటాం. ఓకే, విల్ టేక్ అప్ అ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్. దిస్ కలర్ లెట్ మీ సీ. ఓకే, x, oh, this also is done. Okay, I will not use any highlighter. I thought it will help us. Okay, we'll take a red color, no problem. On one end, we are saying x is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, and again you are saying x is greater than or equal to 4. 4 kanna ekku undali, 5 kanna kuda ekku undali. That is, you want a number. See, if you take the number line, we'll go back to the old scheme. Okay. Yeah, we go back to the old case. I think it's not helping us much. Okay, we go to the old state. X greater than or equal to 5. Where is 5 in the number line? 5 is here in the number line. Where do you find 4 in the number line? Somewhere over here you find 4. Please understand, you are saying x greater than or equal to 5. X greater than or equal to 5, I'll do one thing. I'll give all vertical lines. X greater than or equal to 5, all vertical lines. X greater than or equal to 4, x greater than or equal to 4 will give all horizontal lines. X greater than or equal to 4, we give horizontal lines. What is the net effect? Net ante net lagane undi chudandi. Net effect means simultaneously if both the things has to happen, x has to be greater than or equal to 5. So x greater than or equal to 5 will be the answer for this. Oka number 4 kanna ekku unte 5 kanna ekku untunda. ఒక నంబర్ 4 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే 5 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందా? ఉండొచ్చు, ఉండకపోవచ్చు. వెరస్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ అ నంబర్ మోర్ దెన్ 5, అది ఖచ్చితంగా మోర్ దెన్ 4 ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ అ నంబర్ ఇస్ మోర్ దెన్ 5, it will certainly be more than 4. A number greater than 5 will certainly be more than 4. So therefore, the intersection of these two is x greater than or equal to 5. 5 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే 4 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. 4 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే 5 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండొచ్చు, ఉండకపోవచ్చు. Kabatti, the answer is x greater than or equal to 5. So the answer choice for this question is what? Choice 1. Okay. Shall we see the working again? Chudandi okasari. 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 7. You take that 3 to that side, you get 2x greater than or equal to 10. That means x is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, that's first thing. Second thing, you have 5x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 16 is what we have. Take that 4 to that side. If you take that 4 to that side, 4 plus 16 and 20. 5x greater than or equal to 20. What is the next step? X greater than or equal to 4. If x is more than 4, it may or may not be more than 5. If x is more than 5, definitely it is more than 4. So, x is, combining both, you get x is greater than or equal to 5. So, choice 1 is the answer for this. Clear, students? Right. We then come to question number 2. We have a quadratic inequality here. Solve for x square minus 5x plus 6 less than 0. ఇక్కడ మనకు 6 ఉంది కోఎఫిషియంట్ లో. హౌ టు ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ దిస్? 6 ని ఏ విధంగా బ్రేక్ చేస్తే మనకు -5 వస్తుంది. సో వీ కెన్ రైట్ 6 as what? 2 into 3, 6. -2 into -3 is -6. Sorry, plus 6. -2 into -3 ఎంత అవుతుంది? +6 అవుతుంది. -2 plus -3 ఏమవుతుంది? -2 plus -3 will be -5. అక్కడ -5 ఉంది. కాబట్టి we know how to factorize this. What are the factors for this? It is going to be x square. చూడండి, x square minus 5x ఏం చేయొచ్చు? -3x minus 2x plus 6 less than 0. ఈ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు. Okay? Resolve this into factors like this. So, if you take x common, x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. From these two, you have x minus 3 common. So, you can simply write x minus 3 into x minus 2 less than 0. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే నంబర్ లైన్లో 2 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇక్కడ ఉంది. 3 is here. చూడండి, 2 is here, 3 is here in the number line. ఇప్పుడు మనం చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, if you put any number more than 3, if x is more than 3, say if you put 4, 4 minus 3 is positive, 4 minus 2 is also positive. So, what is happening? The expression is positive. And I will say E for expression. What is the expression under consideration? Expression is x minus 3 into x minus 2. The expression x minus 3 into x minus 2 is positive here. Similarly, if you take a number x between 2 and 3, say for example 2.5 you take. So, 2.5 minus 3 will be positive, it will be negative. 2.5 minus 2 will be positive. What is minus into plus? Minus. The expression is negative. Expression is negative. Tarvata, you take a number less than 2. Less than 2 ante you take 1. So, 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is negative. 1 minus 2 is also negative. What is minus into minus? Plus. Kabatti ikkada expression is positive. Manaki em kavali life lo? What do you want? You want the expression to be less than 0. Less than 0 ante negative undali. Ante all numbers from 2 to 3, this will be the solution. So, question number 2, choice 1 will be the answer. All real numbers from 2 to 3 will be the answer for this. So, when x is between 2 and 3, the expression is going to be negative. Choosama inkosari. Right. So, x square minus 5x plus 6 less than 0. You can factorize and write it as x minus 2 into x minus 3 because the 6 can be factored as -2 into -3. The algebraic sum of -2 and -3 is giving us -5. The -5 x is what we have. So, that means x minus 3 into x minus 2 less than 0. You can see that, sorry, I repeated the step. X can be anywhere from 2 to 3. You can see the explanation here. Okay. When you put x equal to 2, it will be 0. X equal to 3, it will be 0. 2 దగ్గర 0 ఉంటుంది, 3 దగ్గర 0 ఉంటుంది. Anything more than 3, if x is more than 3, the expression is positive. Anything less than 2, the expression is positive. Between 2 and 3, the expression is negative. So, minus into plus is what you're getting. So, the answer is choice 1 for this. Okay. So, 2 to 3 is the answer. Choice 1 is the answer for this one. Okay. That was question number 2 for us. We now come to question number 3. Again, it's also a quadratic case. But what is happening here is, if you try and factorize this 18 factors into 6, 3 is 18, or -6, -3 is 18. 9 2s are 18, negative 9, negative 2 is this. Finally, you can have 18 1s are 18, 118 are there. You can put minus 18 and minus 1. Interestingly, whatever you do here, 6 and 3 will not give you 4. Negative 6, negative 3 will not give you 4. Factors are not coming here. You are not able to factorize this. So, what you do is, there is a shortcut for this problem. The shortcut for this type of problems is, you should check what is called as, whenever you are given a quadratic expression, ax square plus bx plus c, there is something called discriminant, which is given by b square minus 4ac. దీన్ని discriminant అని చెప్తాము. ఒకవేళ discriminant less than 0 ఉంటే, what happens is, either all numbers will be solutions or empty set will be solution. ఒకవేళ discriminant less than 0 ఉంటే, every number will work or no number will work for the inequality. అంటే ఇక్కడ less than 0 ఉండొచ్చు, greater than 0 ఉండొచ్చు. Okay. Whenever you are given a quadratic inequality, ఇది shortcut. Whenever you are given a quadratic inequality, అంటే less than 0 ఉండొచ్చు, greater than 0 ఉండొచ్చు. Discriminant అంటే b square minus 4ac ఏదైతే ఉందో, if that is less than 0, ఒకవేళ discriminant less than 0 ఉంటే, either all numbers will be solutions or no number will be solution. Okay. ఈ విషయం రాసుకోండి. Okay. I am going to write it on the screen. Please take down. For రాసుకోండి, for ax square plus bx plus c, I am dictating, please write down. For ax square plus bx plus c, అంటే ఈ quadratic expression కి b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. ఇది మనం quadratic equations లో కూడా ఈ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. If discriminant is less than 0, రాసుకోండి, ఇది shortcut. If discriminant is less than 0, then the solution set is all real numbers or no real number. All real numbers are solutions or no number will be a solution. Either everything works or nothing works. Either all numbers will be solutions or no number will be solution. Please write down that. If discriminant is less than 0, either all real numbers will be solutions or no real number will be solution. Now, in this case, you can very clearly see the discriminant. What is the discriminant in this case? In this case, b square, d anta, b square ante 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 18. ఇదంతా ఇది 16 minus 72, definitely less than 0 కదా. 16 minus 72 is less than 0. Discriminant is less than 0. కాబట్టి what you do is, either all numbers will work or no number will work. Put x equal to 1. If you put x equal to 1, what is happening? 1 plus 4 plus 18. 1 plus 4 plus 18, ఎంత ఇది 23 అవుతుంది. Is 23 less than 0? If you put x is equal to 1, if I substitute x equal to 1 here, I get 1 plus 4, 5 plus 18 is 23. 23 less than 0 అని వస్తుంది. Is 23 less than 0? No, it is false. 23 less than 0 is false. Therefore, what has happened? One number has failed to satisfy the inequality. ఒక number fail అయింది కాబట్టి, you cannot say all numbers. ఒక number fail అయింది కాబట్టి, you cannot say all numbers. When you can't say all numbers, you have to say no number. ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పాము? Whenever discriminant is less than 0, either everything works or nothing works. You have seen a case where one particular number has not worked. ఒక number has not worked కాబట్టి, empty set is the answer. Okay. So, you can see, since one number has failed, the solution set is empty set. Since one number has failed, the solution set is empty set. Okay. So, you can take choice 3 for this. Okay. Very important, students. Whenever discriminant is less than 0, either you get all numbers or no numbers as the solution. ఏదైనా ఒక number substitute చేసి చూడండి. ఒక నంబర్ వర్కౌట్ అయితే అన్ని నంబర్స్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది. ఒక నంబర్ ఫెయిల్ అయితే ప్రతి నంబర్ ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది. If one number works, every number works. If one number fails, every number fails. Okay, fine. That was about question number 3. Now, we take up question number 4. You have a rational type. Solve x plus 4 by x minus 2 greater than 3. ఇప్పుడు మనము యూజువల్లీ ఏం మిస్టేక్ చేస్తామంటే, యూ టేక్ దిస్, దీన్ని ఇలా తీసుకెళ్తాం, x plus 4 greater than 3x x minus 2. ఇది తప్పు, ఇలా చేయకూడదు. You cannot take this to the right side because we don't know whether x minus 2 is positive or negative. I'll demonstrate ఒక మిస్టేక్ చూపిస్తాను. Suppose I ask you to solve, ఇది చూడండి, solve 1 by x less than 0 అంటున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఈ x అటు తీసుకెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది? 1 less than 0 అవుతుంది. This is wrong. you should not take that x like that, particularly when you are dealing with inequalities. Inequalities lo unnappudu equation unte nadichipotundi, but when you have inequality, you should not do. This is a common mistake we all do. So please don't take it there like that. So ela cheyakodu ani cheppanu, ela cheyalani cheptanu. So how to do? Let's see. X plus 4 by x minus 2 minus 3 greater than 0. ఇది తీసుకురావాలి. మళ్ళీ you will have to take LCM here. You take LCM, what happens? X plus 4 minus 3x plus 6 greater than 0. Okay. LCM is x minus 2. X minus 2 will go here 1. 1 into x plus 4 as it is. Minus 3x plus 6. So you get minus 2x plus 10 by x minus 2 greater than 0. Okay. Minus 3x plus x enta minus 2x. 6 plus 4 enta 10. Ikkada we can take minus 2 common. If you take minus 2 common, you get x minus 5 by x minus 2 greater than 0. Whenever you have a minus sign, you can revert the sign. Ee minus 2 adu తీసుకెళ్తే you simply get x minus 5 by x minus 2 will be less than 0. Please understand, you have to revert the sign. Okay, ఒక్కసారి మీ అనుమతితో రెడ్ కలర్ యూస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది నాకు. ఇక్కడ becomes less than 0. Okay, this part will be less than 0. Because when you are dividing it by minus 2, reversal of sign takes place. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ we go back to the same old story. 2 ఉంది, 5 ఉంది. Listen, if you put any number more than 5, if you put any number more than 5, say for example you put 6. 6 minus 5 is positive, 6 minus 2 is also positive. Expression is positive. Expression is positive. Ikkada manaku expression will be negative. If you put a number between 2 and 5, say for example 3 అని అనుకోండి, 3 minus 5 is negative, 3 minus 2 is positive. You get ఇక్కడ plus by plus వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ minus by plus, ఇక్కడ minus by minus. ఇక్కడ చూడండి expression will be positive. Finally మనకి ఏం కావాలి? Expression negative is what we need. Expression negative అంటే number should be anywhere from 2 to 5. 2 to 5 కాబట్టి choice 2 is the answer for this. What is the answer for this? Choice 2 is the answer for this. Okay, what is the expression here? The expression under consideration is x minus 5 by x minus 2. X minus 5 by x minus 2. Din sangati ento chudali. Okay, shall we see the working again, students? Yes. We said we have to bring this 3 to that side. That's the first step. Then you have x plus 4. Ikkada chudandi, x plus 4 minus 3x plus 6. And if you take LCM as x minus 2, you get that. So minus 2x plus 10 by x minus 2 is greater than 0. If you take minus 2 common, what you get is minus 2 into x minus 5. And what happens? Reversal of sign. Please see, notice the reversal of sign. Because you are dividing it throughout by negative 2. Greater than 0 will become less than 0. So after that, what happens? It will be 2 to 5. Because you see that expression is negative only for numbers between 2 and 5. For numbers outside 2 and 5, that is numbers more than 5 and less than 2, the expression is positive. So we can leave the answer as 2 to 5. So choice 2 is what is the answer for this. Okay. So this is a rational model of inequalities. Yeah, we come to question number 5 now. Yeah. Question number 5. Two things are very important for this problem. So any quantity, if you take, modulus of that quantity is always greater than or equal to 0. Please write this. It's a very important concept. Modulus of any quantity is greater than or equal to 0. Minus of modulus of any quantity is always less than or equal to 0. Minus of modulus of any quantity is always less than or equal to 0. This will actually help you to find the maximum value of this function. Churandi. Now you have what? Minus of mod x minus 9. This is always less than or equal to 0. Because we said minus of, see, modulus of any quantity is greater than or equal to 0 means if I multiply minus both sides, what will happen? Greater than or equal to 0 will become less than or equal to 0. Okay. So if you add, let us say 13 to both sides. When you add 13 to both sides, This is a standard result. Okay. So 13 minus mod x minus 9 will be less than or equal to 13. That is, we are adding 13 on both sides. That means what? Your 13 minus mod x minus 9, that is what is f of x. You get f of x as less than or equal to 13. When f of x is less than or equal to 13, what is 13 for f of x? What is 13 for f of x? Maximum value. F of x is always less than or equal to 13 ante 13 anedi maximum value of f of x అయిపోతుంది. f of x is less than or equal to 13 ante 13 will be the maximum value of f of x. మనకు కావాల్సింది కూడా అదే కదా. What we want is the maximum value. Maximum value is 13. You can see choice 1 is the answer. I'll do the working once again. You can see minus of modulus of any quantity is always less than or equal to 0. When you add 13 on both sides, you get 13 minus mod x minus 9 less than or equal to 13. So f of x is less than or equal to 13. Therefore, you see that 13 is the maximum value of the expression. What is the maximum value? 13 is the maximum value of the expression. Choice 1 is what we can freeze as the answer. Is it okay, students? Fine. So, concept not to forget is modulus of any quantity is greater than or equal to 0, minus of modulus of any quantity is less than or equal to 0. This is the next model, mod x plus 4 less than 12. So, this is again a standard result that we have whenever you have mod x minus a is less than p, where p is a positive quantity. Okay, you can always say that x lies between a plus p and a minus p. X always lies between a minus p and a plus p. అంటే in the number line, ఒకవేళ మీరు a అనే place లో ఉన్నారనుకోండి, what is the meaning of mod x minus a? You are at a, p units to the right. P units to the right అంటే a plus p. Right అంటే add చేయాలి, left అంటే subtract చేయాలి. P units to the right, you go to a plus p. P units to the left, ఎక్కడ వస్తారు? A minus p కి వస్తారు. And whenever you have less than, it means all numbers within a minus p and a plus p. Okay. The solution will be every number from a minus p to a plus p. Okay. ఇది మనం ఈ క్లారిటీ ఉంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. Now we have what? Mod x plus 4. Mod x plus 4 కాబట్టి you can write it as mod x minus of minus 4 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. Less than, minus of minus 4 less than 12. Okay. Here I'll change to yellow color. I think yellow color is working better. Yes. చూడండి. What is a now? A is minus negative 4. A place లో negative 4 అనుకుందాం. P అంటే ఎంత? P is 12. A is negative 4. చూడండి. A is negative 4. P is how much? 12. A is negative 4. P is 12. You are at negative 4. 12 units to the right. 12 minus 4 is what? 8. You are at negative 4. 12 units to the left. Right ante addition, left ante subtraction. Minus 4 minus 12 is negative 16. So, what is happening here? Negative 16 to 8. So, the answer is simply this one, negative 16 to 8. Okay. So, just have to apply the standard result formula. So, mod x minus a less than p means x is lying between a minus p and a plus p. Can you see the working again? Yes. P greater than 0. Mod x minus a less than p means x is between a minus p and a plus p. So, mod of x minus 4 is less than 12. So, please understand you are at negative 4, 12 units to the right. Where do you go? 12 units to the right, you go to minus 4 plus 12. 12 units to the left, you go to minus 4 minus 12. Minus 4 minus 12 is minus 16. Minus 4 plus 12 is 8. So, x lies between negative 16 and 8. So, choice 3 will be the answer for this. So, clear students? Number line ద్వారా అర్థం చేసుకుంటే బాగుంటుంది. Okay, student? Well, that is about question number 6 for us. Okay. Students, with this, we come to the end of this small lecture. Thank you for watching us in YouTube channel. Time YouTube channel watch చేస్తూ ఉండండి. Please subscribe to this channel, number 1. And also recommend your friends for this. Why should you recommend time? The answer is very simple. Because we give you quality with no hangama. We give quality with no hangama. These inequalities, please resolve that you will get that 1 mark in ICET. This 1 mark is also very precious. Every mark what you score in ICET is important. I want this 1 mark also from the topic inequalities and modulus. Thank you, students. Enjoy watching our channel.